All right. So if you think that gifts have to be expensive, these Walmart snack boxes are going to help change your mind. Let me show you what I did. Each one of these gifts are different. Okay. I looked in my stockpile and checked to see what could I put in here that would look cute. So I added some socks, hand sanitizer, a little stuffy, some hand cream, and some candy. Okay, that's in this one. And this one has one of those washcloth bears, some candy, hand sanitizer, some body shimmer spray, a selfie light, and a bracelet. That's this one. And then this one also has the candy socks, stuffy, the shimmering spray, some earrings, and hand sanitizer. Okay? You can make it work with whatever you have. Okay? Whatever you have in stock, you can make this work. Very simple. And I think they're cute as well. Okay? This one has the hand sanitizer, the Stitch Mango Madness bubble bath, a selfie light, a bracelet, and the stuffy. This one has socks instead of, what is it? No, this one has an additional thing. Okay, so each one of these are going to be different. They will not. If they have more things in them, it'll be a little bit more. Okay? Not much. These are the inexpensive gifts. There's a pair of socks, a stuffy, a bracelet, and a selfie light, the bubble bath, and hand sanitizer. And then we have this one. This one has the selfie light, hand cream, bath salt, a bracelet, the stuffy, and one of my hand poured soaps that I made. Okay? All natural soap. So you see, this is not difficult. Okay? You can grab things that you already have in stock, put them on inside of the snack box, and here you go. Okay? So what I'm going to do is wrap these up, and then I'm going to add a balloon, and then I'll post the picture of it. I appreciate so much you watching. Please continue to watch my other videos. Like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time.